If you're like me, you clench your jaw and grind your teeth without even thinking about it. But did you know that that ages us? Never fear, I have a solution. That's coming up next. Welcome back. Christine Byer here, licensed esthetician for 21 years. So if you know me at all, you know I like to bring you things that are innovative and address aging in a way that others are not talking about. It's not just about slapping on a cream and calling it a day. There's so much going on underneath the surface. There's many of us that clench and grind away and we release our jaw, but it's just a constant problem. So there was a dentist in the UK, Dr. Mohindra, about 25 years ago or so. He was working on clients with facial pain, and he was using a dental device to help with that. As he had clients wear this device, he noticed that they were looking younger. He noticed changes in their face. So he made a few tweaks and came out with his own device called the Aura Lift. It's such an interesting device. It's so simple. It's an all-natural way to get back our bottom third of our face. And what happens is over the years, the angle of our mandible can actually change. And so our chin will sort of melt into our face and we get all these lines and everything starts happening around here. But how he counteracts that is by opening up a free space between the bottom and the top teeth. And how it works is a lot like exercise. You don't have to do anything. Your muscles do all the work when you have this in. But when you exercise, you think about you're pumping muscles, you're opening up blood supply, you're getting fresh oxygenation to the tissues. It works in much the same way. So when we open up this jaw and you think about, we've been clenching and we've been overusing our jaw for decades, some of us. And so when you open that up, it gets fresh blood supply, fresh oxygen, and people find that they have less wrinkles and their length of their face actually comes back out. And it's just such a fascinating thing how this works. It's a process similar to exercise, but not the same. So after years and years of clenching, as the jaw rests in a new position, the muscles have to acclimate to that new position. And so they do all this work that in the process rejuvenates the look of the face. And so you'll get a change in your actual face shape even. This will pop back out. And it's a natural process because all your muscles are doing the work. As you know from watching my videos over the years, if you're new here, welcome. But if you're not, you know that the muscles have an amazing ability to adapt and rejuvenate. And so that's what's going on behind the scenes when we wear our device. So this is what one that's brand new looks like. And this is what mine that I've had fitted to my own teeth looks like. So we put this in on the bottom. And you'll wear this daily for 4 months, and then you take a break. And the muscles and even the bone continues the rejuvenation process even when you're not wearing it, which is so amazing. It can be worn daily, but in order to accommodate everyone, even those with very tense muscles, Auralift recommends using it every third day to start with. You can wear this at work, you can wear it while you're exercising, you can wear this whenever. I mean, I like to kind of be settled and just sort of meditate into it, but it's such a simple fix to a chronic problem. My gals on my club are seeing such amazing results with this. You'll work with this first, and then as you get more acclimated, you go up to the 5 millimeter. You get a 3 millimeter and a 5 millimeter. So your little yoga block gets a little bit thicker. But in a nutshell, it just makes the face look alive. And that's what I love about this. It's so simple, it's so elegant, and it works.